in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop image to ellipse in Gimp. So if you want to do it, first we need to add an alpha channel to a layer. So I go to layer, I go to transparency, and here we have add alpha channel. So I click on this one option. Then we need to choose Ellipse Select from the tools. So I click right mouse button here, and then I click on Ellipse Select. Of course, you can use shortcut from your keyboard using E. Everything depends on your preferences, so I click on it. Then we need to check this one option, fixed aspect ratio. It is really important to create a perfect ellipse. And now I create a simple ellipse, maybe something like that. I can change position of this ellipse to area which we want to crop. And now we need to go to select and choose here invert. You can use shortcut Ctrl I if you want from a keyboard, but I will select this one option. And now we need to click edit and choose here clear. And how you see, our image has been successfully cropped to ellipse. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.